Don't worry, your principal, she knows that I always pay school fees. Don't worry, I will call her on phone and I will tell her when I will pay this.
They want to chase me for school because I have no pay for my children. I have to pay for my children. I'm going to take me for school.
But you all of you know that you don't need to know that it's only me that is carrying all these responsibilities. I'm the one that pays your school fees. I make sure you eat. I do everything all by myself. No one is helping me. I don't even have any help. Someone is calling me. Who is that person? Hi, good afternoon. Why are you telling me that you are wrong? Why are you displacing me? What is wrong? Excuse me, sir, please.
I overheard what we are discussing with your children, and it touches my heart. It don't mean that I can just see somebody passing by and talk to that person. You don't know what I'm feeling. It's like I'm feeling the same what you are feeling. My wife left me about 5 years ago. I'm just staying alone. We're just all alone. Took my children away from me. I've been here alone for the past 5 years. So I had him saying something that you are the only one paying the school fees. You're the only one doing this, and you children are complaining. So I said, it's hungry, all these things.
I'm sorry, sir.
I'm sorry, but I said I can be of a good help to you and these children.
What can you do for us?
I will take care of them.
How?
What do you need? Is it not money?
Is it not
Where they are school
like
fees?
you see somebody walking on the street, you want to take care of that person and the children. And what about your own children? You say your wife
Just I went to work, so I have to come back. I couldn't see any of them again. Do away with my property, left my property, everything. I'm alone, and I have children. You know the way they are complaining to you, I don't like it. I have money. I have what it takes to take care of you. If you come close to me, you see that I can take care of you very well. If only these children will understand. Look at this one is begging you to accept me.
Accept him.
What is wrong with this man?
Maybe he will be a good man.
You don't know anything about man. Shut up.
Don't behave like that.
What am I looking? What am I looking? That's what I'm asking. What am I
talking to? Don't ask anybody that you want.
What is the matter with you?
Why you talk yourself?
Madam, let me tell you one thing. Don't you see you are doing this all the time? I'm trying to make sure that these children will be happy. Listen to them, they are telling you the truth.
Now people should stop talking, and do you know this man?
What kind of children are you?
I don't know if you will help us. You are
Do you know it's more than daddy?
Do you know you
How
help
do you know
us?
this man? Daddy was beating mommy, and do you know this man?
Sir, you see what is caused.
You want
Don't
to
see
compare
the kind
me
of arguments
to your
you are causing in
You are rude daddy. If your daddy is rude, come, let me talk to you. I believe you are the most senior.
Why are you dragging me back? What is the matter with this man?
accept him now.
You don't have
Maybe he will help us now. He will
You
even
are
be
crying.
better than our daddy.
You are crying, eh? Cry. And now you are mother to choose the best.
It's like you people don't understand. What is wrong with you people?
Look at your children and begging you.
Hey!
Children,
God,
calm
I
down.
don't know the kind of...
Come, just calm down. Let me talk with you, man. Calm down. Just wait for us. We are coming. Madam, come. I say come. Don't allow the children to suffer for us. Just you people should just give us excuse. Just excuse. Go. See when the guys are Mama, look at your children. Look at how they look like. Look at how they look like. Eh? Can you tell me that you are taking care of them?
It's none of your business.
It's my business.
Excuse me, please stop. Stop.
Look at a beautiful woman. You want to, I can't do you any harm. Okay, where are you people heading?
I don't have any space
Where are you people
for
heading?
a man in my house.
Try.
Please.
That is how it is to me. My wife left me. I'm heartbroken, like as you are. You know, I'm looking for a woman like you that can take care of me. If you can be able to take care of the children to this level, that means you're a good woman. The only thing I don't know, where is this supermarket you are going or what?
So excuse me, please. It's none of your business.
Oh God. Madam, come, let me tell you one thing. Don't be stubborn. You have seen your Messiah, they want to leave your Messiah.
My Messiah is him.
I know, that's him. After him, there is he. You will send man to help you. You don't accept God to come down to come and help you. I'm telling you the truth. Take this small money, change it and take care of the children. When you, I'll give you my number. When you decide, you call me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is $1,000. Take care of the children. It doesn't matter. If you want, if you accept me, you call. This is my house. I'm the owner of this building. As I stays alone here, this is $1,000. Barely 1.4 million naira. Just don't say no. Accept it. Please.
Mama, don't accept him.
Please, not temptation. Hold this money.
This money, I can use this one and start school and one day I'll take the money.
Do you know how much it is? 1.something million.
Okay, you pay for my school fees now. Take the money. You pay for my school fees. Just marry. Uncle, take me. Just marry us.
You want me to marry your mother? I know. But your mother have totally refused me. Your mother, she refused me. Use this money.
Hey.
Take this children, go to Where Road, change this money.
So,
take them to this to buy something for them. When you are just make up your mind, this is my building.
So you people want me to marry this man?
Yes.
Without even knowing him? Without even knowing him? Yes, yeah, I mean, you want me to marry the man because of money? Eh?
Only he's giving us one money. Only he's giving us money. He's giving us money.
My son, you're a good boy. Come, your own is going to be bigger than your brother's son because you're the one that accepted me first.
I'm the senior.
It doesn't make sense. He has sense more than you people. You know that somebody like me need to come into this house. Need to come into you people's life. So, madam, please, just make up your mind and you tell me, okay? Take care of your life. You people can go. If you come there, just catch them up. Wait, Amos. This is my people. Bye-bye. Madam, see you.
Excuse me, sir.
What's the problem again? I just told you, bring your money. Bring your money.
Since the boys love you so much, I don't think protecting you.
I said you are now careful. Just look at me. Leave it alone. If it's not because of my neighbors here, they are the one making me happy. My wife left me. I'm all alone. All this, sometimes I'll stand here, I'll discuss with them and I'll go my way. Okay? She's good as you do that. That is, you're not talking sense. There's sense in what you're doing, okay? Yes, sir. Boys, come. You people are good guys. Your mother has accepted my proposal. Hey, my boys. From today, I'm your what? I what did I say? You are not dragging for money. This is nonsense. I have money. This is money. See, there is money, much money. There is much money. See money. Just that your mother will just behave like this. This is money. When you people back into my house, you eat what you want. Take me to ShopRite, Spa. Yes. This one is small. If you go to GRA, many houses. When I pack it there, so I can see people. Today I was staying with you. So see you people. Tomorrow you. Madam, bring the student to the house.
Wow. Wow, can you see what we're doing? That's money. Let me see my phone. Thank you.